To keep up with today's ever-increasing amount of data, most organizations resort to a patchwork of expensive tools and manual scripting. Fortunately, with Time Extender's Discovery Hub, companies are moving away from the patchwork to an integrated data management platform. Let's see how it's done. This organization is analyzing its purchasing totals for the last few years. However, they recently opened a warehouse in Europe. The CEO is asking for new reports by the end of the week, which include the European totals in both US dollars and euros. Luckily, they have Discovery Hub. With the operational data exchange, users can connect to over 100 web applications and database types. We can easily connect to a web service to pull in daily global exchange rates. Once configured, we'll schedule global exchange rates to be updated daily in our Azure Data Lake. Having all of our data stored in a single format and location lays the foundation for any type of advanced analytics, such as AI and machine learning. Now, let's integrate this data into our purchasing model. The modern data warehouse enables users to cleanse, transform, and consolidate complex data into a single version of truth. We can quickly search our data lake to find what we need. Let's drag and drop this table entitled Latest into the data warehouse. Next, we can easily bring in the value field into our purchasing table and define the currency code for the euro. Now let's clone the existing order amount USD field and edit the formula to convert the value into euros. Of course, we can't forget to consolidate the data from our European warehouse as well. Let's search in our data lake to find the purchasing data from our European warehouse. Once identified, we can drag and drop to perform a smart synchronize, automatically mapping all of the source fields into the existing data warehouse table. Now, let's update our semantic model to include this new data. We can drag the newly converted order amount field and add it to the model. With Discovery Hub's semantic layer, this single change will update the models in our Power BI, Tableau, and Qlik front ends. Finally, we can deploy and execute. Discovery Hub will create a new version of our project, enabling us to roll back at any time. Then, based on the changes we've made, it will automatically generate all the scripts necessary to deploy these changes to the underlying data storage format and hand the scripts off to SQL to execute the data. This procedure is auto-generated and executed in 5 simultaneous threads to ensure the fastest execution possible. Once complete, we can navigate back to our report. Refreshing the dashboard will expose the newly added data from our European warehouse. And finally, we can add the new order amount field to show the report in both US dollars and euros, delivering actionable data insights in record time. But there are questions. How did we come to these numbers? Where's the data coming from? To answer this, we can perform a quick check into the data lineage, clearly illustrating our transformations and sources for each data point. And because Discovery Hub stores all this information in metadata, we can generate new documentation on the fly, automating one of the most time-consuming requirements of a compliant data practice. And finally, when your organization is ready, moving your on-prem solution to the cloud is easier than ever. Discovery Hub will regenerate all the necessary code for cloud-based platforms such as Azure SQL Managed Instance and Azure Analysis Services with a single click. By automating manual code and eliminating the need for disparate tools, Discovery Hub enables users to create, maintain, and document a modern data estate, reducing costs by 70 to 80% and improving time to data insights by up to 10 times.